Billions of toothbrushes end up in landfills each year, yet countless opportunities for their continued utility go completely unnoticed. Imagine transforming this everyday item, often discarded without a second thought, into a powerful tool for numerous household tasks and unexpected repairs. The humble toothbrush, a bathroom staple, typically serves its primary purpose for only a few short months before being replaced. Many consider these worn-out brushes simply trash, adding to the growing global waste problem with surprising regularity. However, overlooking the true potential within these worn tools means missing out on practical, money-saving solutions for your home. From splayed bristles to a worn-out grip, minor issues often prompt immediate disposal, rather than a quick, simple fix. Learning a few clever tricks can drastically extend your toothbrush's life and unlock its versatility beyond dental hygiene. Consider the environmental impact alone. Every small act of repurposing contributes significantly to reducing overall waste. These aren't just about saving a few dollars. They embody a resourceful mindset, crucial for sustainable living practices. You possess a valuable, multifunctional cleaning and repair tool right in your own bathroom, waiting for rediscovery. This approach challenges the disposable culture, encouraging you to see value where others only see refuse. Prepare to transform your perspective on this humble item, discovering its surprising capacity for domestic utility. Let's begin with a common problem: your toothbrush bristles splaying outwards, making effective cleaning nearly impossible. Instead of discarding it, you can easily restore those wayward bristles to their original, effective shape with simple steps. First, boil a small cup of water, bringing it to a rolling boil on your stovetop or in the microwave. Next, carefully dip only the splayed bristle head into the hot water for approximately 30 seconds, allowing the heat to work. Immediately after, transfer the toothbrush to a cup of ice water, submerging the bristles for another full minute. This rapid temperature change helps the nylon bristles remember their original, straight configuration, firming them back into place. Wait until you discover how this simple thermal shock fundamentally alters the bristle's molecular structure, creating a lasting repair. Now, beyond simple repair, consider deep cleaning your toothbrush to extend its hygienic lifespan and effectiveness.
Soak the brush head overnight in a small glass of white vinegar, which naturally disinfects and removes mineral buildup.
Alternatively, a few drops of antibacterial mouthwash can achieve a similar sanitizing effect, ensuring your brush stays pristine. Rinse thoroughly before next use. This simple routine keeps your primary dental tool in top condition for much longer. But these simple fixes only scratch the surface of your toothbrush's untapped potential for ingenious household applications. Imagine the tiny bristles reaching into the narrowest crevices, making it an unparalleled tool for intricate cleaning tasks. Your old toothbrush excels at scrubbing grout lines in bathrooms and kitchens, effortlessly removing grime and discoloration. Its small head and firm bristles perfectly tackle those hard-to-reach spots around faucets, drains, and appliance buttons. Think about cleaning dusty computer keyboards. The bristles gently dislodge crumbs and dirt from between the keys. For jewelry cleaning, a soft-bristled, used toothbrush gently polishes intricate designs without scratching delicate surfaces. You can even use it to meticulously clean the tight spaces of bicycle chains or small engine parts with surprising precision. And then something unexpected happened. People started realizing these brushes could do much more than just clean. Consider repurposing the handle itself, once the bristles become truly unusable for any cleaning task. For instance, snip off the brush head and sharpen the remaining plastic handle end to create small garden markers. These DIY markers easily label herbs and seedlings, providing a durable, waterproof solution for your home garden. Another clever trick involves using the toothbrush handle as a mini spatula for small craft projects or applying adhesives precisely. Some resourceful individuals even create makeshift wire strippers by carefully notching the plastic handle with a sharp blade. This incredible versatility turns what you once considered waste into a miniature toolkit, ready for various unexpected needs. The key lies in seeing beyond the initial design, understanding the material properties, and envisioning new applications. This approach not only saves money, but also fosters a deeper connection with the objects we frequently use and discard. You are not just fixing a brush. You are cultivating a mindset of resourcefulness and practical innovation. This spirit of DIY empowers you to tackle minor household issues without needing to purchase specialized, expensive tools. Wait until you discover how many other everyday items possess similar hidden potentials, just waiting for your creative touch. Embracing these simple toothbrush fixes and repurposing techniques offers significant practical and environmental advantages for everyone. Primarily, you actively contribute to reducing landfill waste, lessening the ecological footprint one saved brush at a time. This mindful approach aligns perfectly with sustainable living principles, promoting a circular economy within your own household. Financially, extending the life of your brushes and repurposing old ones means fewer purchases, saving you money over time. Imagine the cumulative savings from avoiding specialized cleaning tools when a repurposed toothbrush performs just as effectively. Beyond economics, cultivating this DIY habit fosters ingenuity and problem-solving skills applicable to countless other household scenarios. You gain a profound sense of accomplishment from breathing new life into items others would simply discard without a second thought. This shift in perspective transforms mundane objects into versatile assets, enriching your daily life with practical, self-sufficient solutions.
It demonstrates that effective home management often requires cleverness and resourcefulness more than expensive, brand new equipment.
Ultimately, these small, deliberate actions collectively create a much larger positive impact on your wallet and the planet. From restoring splayed bristles to meticulously cleaning tight spaces, your humble toothbrush demonstrates that effective holds home management surprising often power for requires countless home cleverness and solutions. Embrace the satisfaction of sustainable DIY, transforming everyday items into valuable tools through simple, effective ingenuity. Remember, a resourceful mindset not only saves money, but also significantly reduces waste, making a tangible difference. Don't just discard. Rethink, repurpose, and rediscover the immense potential hidden within common household objects. Every small act of repair and reuse contributes to a more sustainable, self-sufficient lifestyle, benefiting both you and the environment. If you found these creative solutions fascinating, consider liking this video and sharing your own DIY tips in the comments. Want more ingenious ways to tackle home challenges and unlock hidden potentials? Make sure to subscribe for more accessible content that empowers you to master everyday repairs and smart living.